Ang nakakalungkot lang, ang daming tao tinatawag ang sarili nila Christian, pero pag mamimili sila, Moses or Jesus, pinipili si Moses. Pag mamimili sila, law or grace, pinipili yung law. Pag pinapipili sila, love or judgment, pinipili nila judgment. Samantalang, Jesus is Lord over all these things. And Jesus is love. Jesus is about love. And the message and only command of Jesus is to love. But many people refuse to love and even move forward to hate, to anger, pagka ang nakataya na ay yung law, yung Yahwistic teachings. Nalilito sila kung sino talaga ang Lord nila, kung si Jesus ba or someone else. Mark 2:27, sinabi rin ni Jesus, itinakda ang araw ng pamamahinga para sa tao. Hindi nilikha ang tao para sa araw ng pamamahinga. The beneficiary of the Sabbath must be yung tao, hindi yung Sabbath ang beneficiary sa paghihirap, pagtitiis ng tao. To simplify it even further, Yahwism says, Sabbath is for the worship and offerings to Yahweh. Jesusness says, Sabbath was made and is for the benefit of man. You can imagine that in the climate, in the religious climate of the times of Jesus in Jerusalem, this was a major issue. Malaking bagay, malaking tunggalian. Importante. Pero itong sinabi na ito ni Jesus tungkol sa Sabat at marami pang iba, tungkol sa treatment of women, tungkol sa mga dietary laws, ang dami pa, tectonic shift yan. Dumating si Jesus hindi lang para magpa-cute, hindi para maging icing sa cake ng Jewish law. Dumating si Jesus to destroy it and to set people free from it.